Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My name is Abid Ismaili Alimi. I am from Ramkola district, Kushinagar. I am pursuing Jamaat-e Salisa. My madrasa name is Jamia Alimiya Jamdar Shahi Basti. Currently, I am learning English speaking. I am going to talk about practice active voice and passive voice. Active voice, present indefinite tense. He writes a letter, he does not write a letter. Does he write a letter? Does he not write a letter? Why does he write a letter? Why does he not write a letter? Past indefinite tense. He wrote a letter, he did not write a letter. Did he write a letter? Did he not write a letter? Why did he write a letter? Why did he not write a letter? Future indefinite tense. He will write a letter, he will not write a letter. Will he write a letter? Will he not write a letter? Why will he write a letter? Why will he not write a letter? Present continuous tense. He is writing a letter, he is not writing a letter. Why is he writing a letter? Is he not writing a letter? Why is he writing a letter? Why is he not writing a letter? Past continuous tense. He was writing a letter, he was not writing a letter. Was he writing a letter? Was he not writing a letter? Why was he writing a letter? Why was he not writing a letter? Future continuous tense. He will be writing a letter, he will not be writing a letter. Will he be writing a letter? Will he be not writing a letter? Why will he be writing a letter? Why will he not be writing a letter? Present perfect tense. He has writing a letter, written a letter. He has not written a letter. Has he written a letter? Has he not written a letter? Why has he written a letter? Why has he not written a letter? Past perfect tense. He had written a letter, he had not written a letter. Had he written a letter? Had he not written a letter? Why had he written a letter? Why had he not written a letter? Future perfect tense. He will have written a letter, he will not have written a letter. Why will he have written a letter? Will he not have written a letter? Why will he have written a letter? Why will he not have written a letter? Present perfect continuous tense. He has been writing a letter since morning. He has not been writing a letter since morning. Has he been writing a letter since morning? Has he not been writing a letter since morning? Why has he been writing a letter since morning? Why has he not been writing a letter since morning? Past perfect continuous tense. He had been writing a letter since morning. He had not been writing a letter since morning. Had he been writing a letter since morning? Had he not been writing a letter since morning? Why had he been writing a letter since morning? Why had he not been writing a letter since morning? Future perfect continuous tense. He will have been writing a letter since morning. He will not have been writing a letter since morning. Will he have been writing a letter since morning? Will he not have been writing a letter since morning? Why will he have been writing a letter since morning? Why will he not have been writing a letter since morning?